how to sell dollar in Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can sell dollar in Binance. So in order to sell crypto for USD that can be withdrawn to your bank account, so for that you need to log in into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first of all, go ahead and tap the trade icon located right at the bottom. So as soon as you click the trade icon, then you'll be able to see an option as buy. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and select the Bitcoin. So first of all, you need to sell. So for that, go ahead and tap the sell button. Enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to sell. Once you've done that, you need to choose how much USD you want to sell and tap the continue button. You'll now be taken to a third-party website or a mobile application where you need to confirm your purchase, and within 2 to 3 business days you'll be receiving your amount. So that's going to be deposited into your bank account. So that is how you can sell dollar in Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.